Hello guys, welcome to Windows Server tutorial series. In this tutorial, I will show you how to link group policy object with organization unit or with OU. So first go to tools and click on group policy management. So here you have to expand the domain. And in the previous video, we'll created a group policy object for background image, which is this one, wallpaper. Okay. And now I want to link this group policy object with this OU, which is finance. Okay. How to link that? So expand, I am going to apply this group policy object or link with this computers. So right click on that. Here we have an option which is link an existing GPO or group policy object. Okay, click on that. And here you have to choose your domain. I have only the one domain, which is this one. And here under domain, we have different group policy object, which is wallpaper, which is default domain policy. And here you have to select the group policy object, which you want to link with the OU. So I'm going to link this group policy object and click OK. And now I am going to this folder, final and computers. As you can see, the group policy object has been linked with this OU successfully, and it will be applied to this computer. Okay, all computer which is here will be implemented. That's it, guys. I hope you will like it. If you have any question about group policy object, about domain, just drop them in the comment section. I will be very happy to help you out with that. See you in the next video.